Hi everyone. I'm so honored to be given chance to interview our Deputy Director of Health Technopolis and Corporate Communications, Mr. Professor Dr Sabarul. This is him. So, Doctor, after the talk, can you please share your thought after attending the talk by Dr Ferid Murad just now?
So, first of all, I would like to say that we are very honored to have Professor Dr Ferid Murad to come and give his lecture in our health and medical campus of University Kebangsaan Malaysia. So, to be a Nobel laureate, I think it will be a good inspiration towards all our doctors, our researchers who are doing these studies and research to aspire them to just keep on doing things. Because in research we found that sometimes we have failures, but as mentioned by Dr. Ferid Murad, each failures will come into successful findings, which he calls the eureka. And those are the findings which will actually change the world. So nitrous oxide and cyclic GMPs are some of the receptors that are commonly used in medicine, especially in cardiovascular disease, all those things. And his lecture have shown that there are more application of this nitrous oxide and cyclic GMPs. So we are really looking forward into more collaboration with international researchers like this. Okay, so we had the privilege to have a small group discussion with Dr. Ferid Murad after the talk. So there was a lot of discussion in collaboration. So we've talked about the use of nitrous oxide in terms of bone health and also in terms of cardiovascular disease, all those things. So we are engaging with BE International to do more clinical trials as suggested by Dr. Ferid Murad, because all these nutritional supplements, everything needs more clinical trial to have more scientific evidence base. So UKM will take that challenge by Dr. Ferid Murad, and we would like to collaborate to do all these clinical trials in terms of science.
I feel like clapping my hands now. So how does this talk benefit the medical student and also the researchers? Okay,
so we had a very good response from researchers, clinicians, doctors, PhD, post-PhD students, and also medical students. So I think based on the talk, they will be more inspired to lead the way in doing things in research, because they have seen that based on the achievement of Dr. Ferid Murad, he has contributed a lot to humankind. And all this success doesn't come overnight. So based on Dr. Ferid Murad's experience, it shows that he was very persistent and consistent, and he believed in what his findings are. And he has told me that 90% of most of the nutraceutical products has nitrous oxide component in the mechanism of action. So we believe that will be an inspiration to all the scientists in University Kebangsaan Malaysia, and also the other scientists who attended this talk from other institutions.
Thank you very much for Prof Sabarul and also UKM for having us here today, and we're really looking forward for more cooperation between BE International and UKM. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for accepting us as the host for Dr. Ferid Murad's talk. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.